Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into Sales Like Crazy by Sabri Suby, a game-changing guide to skyrocketing your sales. Stick around as we break down the key strategies that can transform your business. Sabri Suby, founder of King Kong, shares his no-nonsense approach to sales. Sales Like Crazy is a comprehensive guide to acquiring customers and boosting conversions. At the heart of Suby's strategy is the sales funnel. The book outlines each stage, from attracting prospects to nurturing leads and finally converting them into loyal customers. One key takeaway is targeting the right audience. Suby emphasizes creating irresistible offers that speak directly to your ideal customer. Crafting compelling offers is crucial. Suby breaks down the elements of a high-converting offer, including urgency, exclusivity, and value. Suby highlights the importance of follow-up. Consistent and timely follow-ups can significantly increase conversion rates. Testing and optimization are essential for success. The book provides insights on A/B testing and tweaking your strategies for maximum impact. That's a wrap on Sales Like Crazy. Implement these strategies and watch your sales soar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on sales and marketing. Top 10 Action Plan, inspired by Sales Like Crazy, that will help you improve your sales.